Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Finding the volume of a solid revolving around the x-axis is easy if you follow these 3 quick steps to find the right integral. First, we need to find where our 2 curves intersect by setting 3x equal to x squared. Solving this gives us the bounds from 0 to 3 for our integral. Next, identify the outer and inner radii. Since 3x is above x squared on this interval, our outer radius is 3x and our inner radius is simply x squared. Finally, apply the washer method by squaring each radius separately. This leads to the correct setup, meaning option C is our winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing to square the difference. Always trust given formulas and check steps.